Hello, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks, all my dear students. Very thanks to subscribe my channel, watch my videos, like and share. I am here in service in once again. Start now new assignments. EXP 22 Excel chapter number 4 cumulative assessment auto sales. Today's title auto sales. Project descriptions, if any kind of assignment you Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS graders, accounting, finance, mathematics, English and other assignments, please you contact me, emails and WhatsApp. Start now. Question number 1. Question number 1. Start Excel. Download and open the file names. EXP 25 Excel chapter number 4 cumulative assessment auto sales. Grader has been automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All dears, you first downloading the file, but I already downloaded this file. Why did this is file? I back this. Question number 2. I increase the word size. You understand better. And color change. Convert the data in range A1 F104 on the flat information worksheet to a tables. Name the table inventory and apply the code table style medium 19. Convert the data in range E1 F104. Start first. I paste this, enter, it's okay. And show table. Next step flow worksheet tables, and name the inventory and apply the gold table style. Apply, it's okay. Gold, okay. Table name inventory, complete. Gold table medium 5, medium 12, medium 19, it's okay. This table, gold table medium style. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3. I increase word, color change because you understand better word. Remove the duplicate record. You understand my point by point. You remove duplicate, it's okay. Remove duplicate. I okay and okay. Question number 3 is complete. Question number 4. Increase the word and color change. Sort the table by make in alphabetical orders. Add the second level to sort by year smartest to largest, and a third level to sort by sticker price smartest to largest. It's okay. And your first step, sort by the table by make in alphabetical order. Start by the table by makes. Sort filter, custom sorts, and first I make. It's okay. A to Z. Next step, add a second level to sort by years smartest to largest. Second level. Second level years. It's okay. Smartest to largest. And a third level to sort by the sticker price, and smartest to largest equal to, and third level sticker price. It's okay. And order smartest to largest is complete. It's okay. Question number 4 complete. Question number 5 start. Set the field name to repeat one page when printed. Okay.